Thank you, Filmfare. Thank you very much. This is really an honor. For my first film, I had got a Best Supporting Actress Filmfare, and now I get it after so many years. And I'm so happy, I can't tell you. I thank my master for this. I thank my family, my husband, my children. They are the best in the world. And I love this industry so much. I love being a part of this place. And I hope that when I go from here, from this stage, from here. Thanks very much. Thank you, Filmfare. Thank you very much. Thank you.
She came into the firmament like a breath of fresh air, a very warm breeze on a cold and winter morning. Vibrant, carefree, pulsating with energy, unconventional. She was my first leading lady in a film called Pyar Ki Kahani, which was a remake of another great Tamil film called Kaigurtha Devam. And I shall ever be grateful to her for having agreed to work with me in that film. She, a glorious star, and me, a struggling newcomer. It is my great privilege, ladies and gentlemen, and very great honor to present the Lifetime Filmfare Award to this great star, Tanuja.
Good evening, everybody. This award actually is for all my colleagues, all the workers who have worked with me, all the makeup artists, the hairstylists, the sports boys, everyone in the film industry, because during my time, it was a family. And for me, it's still a family. So I would like to thank all of you. I am really grateful to all of you for being with me during this journey of mine. Thank you very much for all the lessons that I have learned, which made me who I am today. So thank you.
Good evening, everyone. The Filmfare Awards was one of those things where the four of us would sit together and look forward to. After school or whenever Filmfare was on TV, sometimes live, we put aside everything else to sit together as a family and watch all the stars come up there and pick up their award. And I never thought that one day I'll be here doing this. So thank you. Thank you, Sanjay Leela Bhansali, for giving me the opportunity and for believing in me and pushing me to the limit that you did, because I didn't think I could. Thank you, Ranveer, for being such an amazing co-star, and the entire team for making it possible. Everyone who works behind the scenes. 2012 and 13 was an exhausting year for me, and I think I went through some emotional, I think I was crabby, I think I was irritable, but I think that's what it needed, and unfortunately, to deliver what I did. So thank you so much for putting up with me. But most importantly, I think my fans. I have little Prerna here with me, and I want you to come up on stage, please. Prerna, on behalf of all my fans, I want to tell you that you all have been so amazing. This is a very, very special moment for me, and calling you up here is to tell you how much I love all of you for believing in me and giving me the strength to do what I do every single day. Thank you.
Deepika, don't go away. I meant to talk to you.
Oh.
What was your inspiration? Was it the director or was it Ram? Lord Ram.
You were my inspiration, Karan.
Nowhere close, I'm sure. But I'm glad I was. Congratulations, darling. You deserve every honor in this country for your spectacular performances this year. Thank you. Give it up for Deepika Padukone, ladies and gentlemen.
Wow. They're much lighter than they've been before. They've lost some weight. I felt like the item boy in that nomination clip. The only one who didn't get a dialogue, just had to show his body. But thank you very much. Thank you, Filmfare. Thank you to all the people who voted for this performance. There's many people to thank, starting with, of course, Rakesh Mehra, the director of the film. Rakesh, I cannot thank you enough for this wonderful experience that I've had making this film with you and with the rest of the crew. Bharti, Sham, Rajiv, Ajit, everybody else who made this film happen. All the crew members. I'd like to thank Milkha ji, of course, and his family. It really was their belief and his constant inspiration in things that he would share with us about his life that made, I think, all of us feel that we have to give more than what is being asked of us for this film. And that really, really sustained us. So thank you, Milkha ji. I love you very, very much. I also want to thank Prasun Joshi for writing an amazing script. And I keep saying this, but I must say it again. It really must have been so difficult to decide what not to put in the film as opposed to what to put into it. Thank you very much. I'm so happy to be receiving this, of course, in front of my family. Everyone is here, and it's a very, very proud moment for me, especially my mother is here, and that makes me feel really, really happy to be getting this in front of her. She used to keep telling me that I'd run around Bandra wearing no shoes, and what am I doing with my life? See, it amounted to something, all that running barefoot. Thank you very much. I love you all, and God bless. Thank you.
Congratulations, Farhan. And I have to say, I am so glad I'm on stage while you're winning this award, because I've grown up with you and I had no idea you would win anything ever.